Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin this PC to Windows 10 taskbar. For this, right click on the free space on the desktop and select Add New and then Shortcut. In the location box, you need to copy and paste this one path that you will find in this video description. After that, click on this one Next button. Name this shortcut to this PC, then click on this one finish button. Now you will see a desktop shortcut for this PC. Now select it and right click on it. In the pop-up, select properties option. Now click on this one change icon button. Now replace this one path from this one that you will find in this video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. Now select a icon of your choice for this PC and click OK. Then click apply. Then click OK. Now select this one desktop shortcut and right click on it. Then click on pin to taskbar. This will pin this PC icon to the Windows 10 taskbar. By clicking on it, you can open this PC on your Windows 10